Welcome to the House family. I'm going to take you through this week's meal. This week we are giving a shout out to our friends over at Tossed, and we're going to be doing the Cobb salad. It will have mixed lettuces, it will have egg, tomato, avocado, a little bit of bacon, some scallions, and then it will also have a ranch dressing. And then we're going to be doing roasted potatoes with Romesco sauce and ground Parmesan. Let's get started. To get started for our salad today, I've gone ahead and prepped the lettuce. It's cut and ready to go. We have all of our components for the salad as well. And so we will get these ready. So we have the tomatoes that need to be cut. We'll pull these out. And then we'll also be cutting our egg. We'll set these aside for now. And then we will go ahead and mix our greens. I'm gonna use a glove, but you could just use some tongs. So we've got our dressing. Make sure all that's in there. Make a nice bed with the greens. And then we can start getting our tomatoes cut. I just cut them in half. You could quarter them as well. Put our chicken down the middle as well. And then we will do our bacon on one end. And then we'll go blue cheese. And then we will do our green onion next to that. And then egg, I'm gonna just quarter these lengthwise. And we have our Cobb salad with chicken, tomatoes, blue cheese, scallions, bacon, and boiled egg. For our roasted potatoes, I've got a medium-sized skillet, non-stick, with a little bit of oil in it, heating it up over like a medium-high heat. We're gonna add our potatoes. I'm gonna give them a little toss. Try to get them on some flat side. Our goal, the potatoes are already cooked through, so our goal here really is to just get some nice color on them as we heat them up. So, I'm just going to get these on some cut sides here. And then we're gonna let these go for a few minutes. They're gonna get nice and brown. We'll come back and give them a turn. Potatoes have been cooking for a few minutes now. Trying to get some color on them, which looks great. We're gonna give them a toss. Now we're just gonna kind of let them sit where they are. We're gonna give them a couple more minutes. We'll taste them, and then we'll go ahead and get them plated up. All right, our potatoes have been cooking for about 5 to 8 minutes now. They're looking nice and golden. They're warming up. We'll give one last toss. Got some great color. We're gonna test one of these just to see how the salt and pepper is. A little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper. And then we'll go ahead and get these plated up with the Romesco and cheese. All right, our potatoes have cooked. We're gonna add in our Romesco sauce and toss that around. Smells amazing. Okay. We're going to get these into our bowl. And then we've got some Parmesan cheese to go over the top. And here we have our roasted potatoes with Romesco and Parmesan cheese.